Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I didn't put my seatbelt on. You got your seatbelt on, Jackson?
Yes, sir.
Alright. I'm gonna put her in low. I got a roller coaster. We're gonna go up. Think we can go up that one?
Yeah.
Think we can? You okay?
Yeah.
Man, that's what I want. Oh. Which one do you go up? This one right here? Hey, what was that like over there? I told you, you think we get it? Goes, oh yeah, oh yeah. Really? Man.
Told you we should have done it.
Hey, because I told you we should have done it. Yeah, buddy. I like that attitude. I like that climbing stuff. That's fun. I think Nicholas getting tired. You go.